This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carpenter. Just imagine having your morning coffee on your southern-facing lanai with panoramic views of 2 lakes and rolling golf course fairways as far as the eye can see. What a way to start your day! You will love this in-unit second-floor condo with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Luxury engineered wood flooring throughout living areas with carpet in bedrooms. Vaulted ceilings gives this unit a very spacious feeling, and from the moment you walk through the front door you are drawn to the lovely tranquil view. White kitchen cabinets with white appliances fits in with the current trends. Sawgrass is situated in the middle of Pelican Landing and is far away from any traffic noise. Pelican Landing is situated on 2,400 acres west of US 41, nestled along Estero Bay. Pelican Landing has the most amenities for the lowest master HOA of any community in Lee or Collier counties. A private 34-acre beach island, state-of-the-art fitness center, 12 tennis courts with full-time tennis director, pickleball, bocce ball. There is a canoe and kayak park for the paddler who would like to paddle to the bay. There are 36 holes of championship golf with gold and social memberships available on a short wait list. Don't miss this great value. For more information, review the details below.